everyone. Our topic today is all about applications of indices, and this topic can be found in pages 13 to 16 of your textbook. First, let us have a short quiz. Simplify the following. 8 to the third times 8 to the sixth divided by 8 to the seventh is equal to what? I will give you 10 seconds to answer this one. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The answer is 64. Now let us have another one. Simplify the following. 3 to the second times 9 to the third divided by 3 to the 10th is equal to what? I will give you 10 seconds to answer this one. The timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The answer is 1 over 9. Now let us have our lesson today. Exponents, indices, and powers are used in lots of parts of modern world. Indices are used in computer games, science, engineering, economics, finance, programming, and many other. Let us recall some laws of indices that will be used throughout this lesson. The first one will be the product law. The product law states that multiplying powers with the same base, we need to add the exponents. The second one would be quotient law. The quotient law states that dividing powers with the same base, we need to subtract the exponents. And the third law is the raising a power to a power, which means that we are going to multiply the exponents. So those laws are very important so that we can solve the problems later easily. Let us have problem number 1. Let us read all together the problem. In a warehouse, each sack of rice weighs 3 to the second pounds. If there are 3 to the fifth sacks, what is the total weight of the crate? Leave the answer in index form. First, let us analyze the given. So we have each sack of rice weighs 3 to the second pounds, and there are 3 to the fifth sacks. So we are going to solve for the total weight of the crate. So the total weight of the crate will be equal to 3 to the second times 3 to the fifth, which is equal to what? Correct. We are going to copy 3 and add the exponents 2 plus 5. And what is 2 plus 5? Correct. It is 7. So therefore, we will be having 3 to the 7th. And therefore, remember, we need to leave the answer in index form. So therefore, the total weight of the crate is 3 to the 7th pounds. That is problem number 1. Now let us have problem number 2. Let us read all together the problem. The mass of planet Venus is about 0.815 times the mass of the Earth. Given that the mass of the Earth is 5.98 times 10 to the 24th kilograms, find the mass of the said planet in kilogram. First, we are going to identify the given. So, planet Venus is about 0.815 times the mass of the Earth. And the mass of the Earth is 5.98 times 10 to the 24th kilograms. So therefore, to find the mass of planet Venus, we are going to multiply 0.815 times the mass of the Earth. Substituting the value of the mass of the Earth, we will be getting 0.815 times 5.98 times 10 to the 24th. Simplifying further, 0.815 can be written as 8.15 times 10 to the negative 1. Then we copy times 5.98 times 10 to the 24th. Simplifying further, we can multiply 8.15 times 5.98 times 10 to the negative 1 times 10 to the 24th. What is 8.5 times 5.98? Correct. So we will be having 48.737 times 10 to the negative 1 plus 24. And what is negative 1 plus 24? Correct. It is positive 23. So we will be having 48.737 times 10 to the 23rd. So therefore, the mass of planet Venus is 48.737 times 10 to the 23rd kilograms. That is problem number 2. Now let us have problem number 3. Let us read all together the problem. If an amount of 2,000 baht is deposited into a savings account compounded annually of 5%, find the value of investments after 2 years. So in here, we are going to compute for the compound interest. And what is a compound interest? A compound interest is the interest computed on the initial principal, which also include the earned interest of previous time of a deposit or loan. So we are going to use the formula A is equal to P times 1 plus R to the T. To understand the formula, we are going to have A as the accumulated amount or the total amount. P is equal to the principal amount or initial amount. R is equal to the rate in percent, and we are going to write it in decimal form. And T is equal to time in years. So let us identify our A, P, R, and T from the problem. So A is the total value of the investment, which we are going to solve. P is equal to 2,000 baht. R is equal to 5%, which in decimal is equal to 0.05. And T is equal to 2 years. Substituting all the values in the formula, we will be having A is equal to 2,000 times 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 2, or squared. Then simplifying further, what is 1 plus 0.05? Correct, it is equal to 1.05. So therefore, we will be having 2,000 times 1.05 squared. And what is 1.05 squared? Correct. So we will be having 2,000 times 1.1025. And what is 2,000 times 1.1025? Correct. So we will be having 2,205. So therefore, the value of the investment after 2 years is 2,205 baht. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you again next week. Bye!